NDT Evaluation Summary. The following will be a summary of NDT methods. For visual testing, the most common methods used are closed-circuit TV, borescope, and surface weld inspections. We want to note here that parts such as aluminum forgings and castings are best tested with visual inspection first, followed by eddy current inspection, ultrasonics, and last, dye penetrant. This scenario is considered best practice because of the contaminants that are applied to the part's surface. Next is liquid penetrant, sometimes known as dye pen. The most common methods used to perform PT are visible and fluorescent methods. PT is used for ferrous metals such as carbon steel and non-ferrous metals such as aluminum and non-porous plastics. Parts that are being prepared for dye penetrant inspections should be cleaned with a volatile petroleum-based solvent. When performing magnetic particle testing, there are two types of indicating mediums used, wet and dry. Magnetic particle testing detects flaws on or near the surface of a part. When performing magnetic particle testing, a flaw that is perpendicular to the magnetic field flux lines generally causes a large disruption in the magnetic field. Next is ultrasonic testing. The reasons ultrasonic testing is used is flaw detection sizing, bond testing, thickness testing, and bolt torque testing. Finally, there's eddy current testing. Eddy current testing is used for flaw detection sizing, coating thickness measurements, conductivity measurements. It's used to detect surface or near surface defects in most metals, and the beauty of eddy current testing is that it requires little or no part preparation. Under this topic we have radiographic testing. The different radiographic test methods are X-ray, gamma radiography, computer tomography, microfocus real-time radiography, and a side radiographic application of film digitization. Under the title of leak testing, we have bubble check, mass spectrometry, and ultrasonic leak detection. Infrared testing. Qualitative inspection. A qualitative inspection refers to a qualitative analysis of the properties of a part that cannot be measured concretely. Qualitative examinations show variable thermal gradient images on a high-resolution video monitor. Quantitative inspection. A quantitative property is one that exists in a range of magnitudes and can therefore be measured. Quantitative infrared inspections involve obtaining temperature measurements of components in either static or dynamic conditions. There are two accepted methods for testing composites. The first method is the ring tap test. When ring tap testing is performed, a dull thud could indicate a separation of laminates in a composite panel. The second method is a visual examination involving the use of a bright light. This preferred method examines composites that have been subject to damage. The technique involves stripping paint or stain from the surface of a composite, then shining a bright light through the part and looking for damaged infrastructure.